Gabby here from Southern Delight. So glad that you tuned in. I'm getting ready for fall. I can't believe that it's actually here. So I am getting ready to go ahead and start decorating for my front door. And I have started getting stuff laid out to make the wreath for my front door. And this time around, I think I'm going to be doing navy and orange. I've been seeing a lot of that combination around in a lot of the craft stores. And I'm excited that these colors are coming back around because my house is a blue color. So this will go great with my decor. So I wanted to go ahead and share this with you, but I'm going to be doing a grapevine wreath for fall. So I went ahead and I bought a grapevine wreath form. This is a bow that I had left over from last year, and I'm using the navy and ivory buffalo check. And then I also went to the Dollar Tree. I picked up some of their fall floral leaves here, and they're really great. You can do a lot with those. And then Walmart had some really beautiful flowers as well. I've used this in another project that I did, but I've got some burgundy and then these little orange. They've kind of got like a golden color. I don't think they're goldenrods, but they've got like a deep rust golden color. And then I had some sunflowers left over that I had actually picked up from Michael's and Hobby Lobby last year. They had a lot of those. And then these little pumpkins, they also have these at the Dollar Tree. I took one of the orange ones and I popped off all those flowers and stuff that was on it, and I cut it in half. And I'm going to be taking this stencil, which I also picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put my initial, I'm going to paint my initial on it right here so that this will be in the center. So, but we'll go ahead and get started on this, and I'll show you how I'm going to assemble this together. Okay, as you can see, I went ahead and I have pre-laid everything out, and I've got the burgundy flowers. Those are the leaves from the Dollar Tree, the sunflowers from Hobby Lobby. There's my bow. There's my half of the pumpkin there. And I did the same thing over on the other side. So I've got it pre-laid out now, and I'm going to get ready and I'm going to start wiring it in. And I'm also going to take some black paint and put the P on here. Alright, here is my final wreath. And do you remember when I said crafting kind of has a mind of its own, and I'll start something and then have another idea? Well, this one started to look more like an owl face. So I have gone back, I added a little bit more navy. I got some navy ribbon and I added that to it. But I picked these up. I got these from Michael's, I believe, last year, but I saw some of these in the Dollar Tree also this year. But we're gonna put them. Okay, so I added it to my inventory list, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it at the top of this, and it just makes it have like more of a owl type feel to it. But I absolutely love it. Thought it turned out really well. But stay tuned, because I have some clips too where when I was in Big Lots this weekend, I took some pictures for you so that you can get an idea. Like if your colors aren't, if you're not wanting to do navy and orange, they have some other really pretty color combinations, and I want to share those with you as well. When I was in Big Lots, I happened to pick up this rug, and as you can see, it's got navy blue and orange in it. I was really tickled over this, and I think I paid probably about $12 for this one. Here is another one of my finds. This is a little navy blue pickup truck that says Happy Harvest on it. I think I paid probably about $14 for that. And here is a pumpkin that says Happy Fall. And these are all yard stakes. So the pickup truck and this one, I was really tickled because, like I said, I'm using that color combination that I'm seeing a lot of with the navy blue and the orange.